Guys, welcome back to Design Studio. So this time I have come with the AutoCAD tutorials. It's a part 1. Let's begin. What I'm going to do is in this tutorial is I'm going to discuss all the fundamentals that are used in AutoCAD. Almost I'm going to cover most of the fundamentals. If you follow this, I hope and I guarantee that you are supposed to draw any detailed diagram, and you can begin with your AutoCAD learnings. So let's begin. You can follow up that if you press escape, you can. Firstly, this is the AutoCAD window. As you can see, and initially when you begin, this is a black thing. It is your drawing board. Escape is to cancel your command, and first initially you have to type units, as you can see on the command board. And this is the drawing units that you can see. The decimal is when you go for architectures. So this is the architecture will run in feet. It is used in feet and inches, and decimal is used in meters and centimeters, meters, millimeters, in this. Okay, so if you want to go with the 1.1 or 1.2 meters, you have to go with the decimals. And engineering and architecture is most of this, it is same. It is done in feet, and it is used by the unit scale, that is feet and inches. So yes, to begin with, I'll go with the decimal. uh, you can make it feet as I'm doing it here, so you can do it. Okay, after units you are supposed to escape. You can escape is to cancel all the commands. So let's move for the limits. Type limits and make enter. Okay, as you can see, the lower left corner is always 0, 0. As you can see, as you and the what on the upper right corner is 100, 100. That is, you are typing your drawing sheet size. Based on the your drawing, you are giving the limit size. Okay, and zoom, you have to type zoom and give it all. This is a step that you have to follow before starting the drawing. Zoom all, enter. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the first command was unit, then limits, then zoom plus all. Okay, so this was it. And this is a line, polyline, and these are few shapes that you can see: rectangle, circle. Later I'll come up with the shortcuts keys for you. As you can see, this the line that I have clicked, it can be drawn in any quadrant. When you on the ortho, you can see at the bottom, left side bottom, there's a I'll click ortho. If I off the ortho, I can move it to any quadrant. But if I on the ortho, it will be drawn only at the 90, 180, 270 and 360 degree. So what the things that I have highlighted is grid, ortho, snap and O track. So these are the few things that are helpful. Like, it should be on, like it doesn't disturb your drawing. All right. So then next I'll come with the architectural part. So what how you have procedure you have to do for architecture. You have to go with this, and you have to select feeds. Okay, and then you have to okay it. Okay, yes, the same procedure you have to adopt, but you have to type feeds it there. The 0, 0 is 0 left corner, and right corner is 100,000 feet, 1,000 feet. As you can see, I have mentioned the detail about the feeds. This is the basic. It may help you to move further. So zoom all, and you can begin your drawing. Yes, coming to the drawing part now. As you can see, these are the few functions that are used. Drawing any shape. I'll take a rectangle to draw. And if you click move, then you can click any part of the, okay, I'm sorry, yes, if you can click move, you can move it. Okay, and copy, it will copy. If you want to mirror it, just drag, click mirror, click mirror mi and part, and enter. Okay, then stretch it. If you are willing to stretch, you can click it. This part is stretched. Alright, I'll make a irregular shape. So if you are willing to rotate it, yeah, you can rotate to any of your of the angle you want. And if you want to scale it, so scaling the drawing is also necessary sometimes. So as you can see, there comes if you select a point, there comes in the command bar, if you click point 1, then it will the drawing will be multiplied to point 1 times. The size will be converted to the point 1 size. If you want to double it, you have to click 2. If you want to minimize it, you have to make it less than 1. So this is a trim part. So trim is, you will in the lines in between two lines, or the line which cuts it, you can delete the, you can remove the line between the two lines, like it is called trim. Trim is the most helpful function in the drawing. So fillet is something to join two lines, that as you can see, an array, is you can do it to multiply the objects into rows and column. As you can see, there is number of rows is 4, and yeah, columns are 4, rows are 3. So in the next part, I'll come up with the new functions of the softwares. So till then, take care.